Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up a hidden folder and hide your photos and videos in Google Photos. So let's get right into it. The process is a bit different between the mobile devices and the computer, so I'll be going over those two ways. So let's get right into it. Firstly, for mobile, you'll need either Android 6 or iPhone or iOS 15 and later, and that is pretty much it. And make sure that you have a device lock, which only you know, since you'll need it to set this up and access it later. And the way you set up a locked folder, you go into the app, go into library, then into utilities and into locked folder, tap the set up locked folder button, and then follow the instructions to set everything up. If you don't have a password for your phone or device, this is where you'll need to create one, which you'll need to use to access the folder. So everybody who has it can access your folder, so make sure you have one that only you know. And that is pretty much for phones and mobile devices. Now for the PC, you just go into the photos.google.com site, click locked folder, which should be in your sidebar to the left, tap set up locked folder, follow the instructions, and that is pretty much it. Your password, which you will be using to access this folder, is the same password for your account, and not, for example, your login pin if you're using Windows. It is specifically tied to your account password, to your Google account, and that is pretty much it. Once you're done with that, then you will be able to enter or to move any photos which you find sensitive into that folder, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.